Hi, friends. What do you hear sounds with? Your ears. The book I want to read to you today is called So Many Sounds. It's by Tim McKenna and illustrated by Andy J. Miller. Listen. Do you hear a sound? Noises come from all around. Soft and gentle, loud and clear. Oh, so many sounds to hear. Teapot whistles. Toaster pops. Bacon sizzles. Pancake flops. Dishes clatter. Faucet drips. Buttons snap. And zipper zips. Chipmunks chitter. Sparrows tweet. Bikes roll up and down the street. Over, under, far and near. Oh, so many sounds to hear. Sneakers stamp and classrooms bustle. Pencils scratch and papers rustle. Whispers, giggles, shouts and slurps. Munching, crunching, gulps and burps. Field trip time, today's the day. Hop on board, we're on our way. All the children clap and cheer. Oh, so many sounds to hear. Freight trains whoosh, and airplanes zoom. Tugboats toot, and dump trucks boom. Taxis honk, and sirens blast. Fire engine roaring past. Drill bits grind and hammers bang. Workers holler, wrenches clang. Through the tunnel, by the pier. Oh, so many sounds to hear. Plucking, trilling, ringing, drumming, tapping, snapping, singing, strumming. Thunder rumbles, breezes blow, windows rattle. Time to go. Screen door opens, hinges squeak, hugs and kisses on the cheek. Critters chirp, the clock strikes 8. Someone yawns, it's getting late. As the moon and stars appear, only quiet sounds to hear. Covers ruffle, nighty-night. Click. The switch turns off the light. No more noises, not a peep. Everyone is sound asleep. There are sounds all around us, aren't there? If I sit quietly in any room of my house, I can hear sounds all around me, just like the boy in this book did. I'd like to show you a game that you could make and play at home that has to do with listening for sounds. I made some sound makers. This one is a little plastic egg with rice inside. I also added some dots to it with markers. This one is an old peanut butter container with some coins inside, and I decorated it with stickers too. You'll also need a blanket or a towel like this one to cover them up. See if you can tell which sound maker I am shaking just by using your ears. Ready? Oh, it sounds like a jangly loud sound. Do you know what it is? Did you guess the one with coins inside? Nice job. Let's play one more time. Whoa, that sounds a lot softer. I bet you know which one it is. It was the plastic egg with rice. Now I'm wondering, what could you find at your house to make sounds? And who could you ask to play with you? You could make the sounds for them and they could guess, and then switch so you get a turn to guess too. Have fun making sounds and listening. Bye, friends.